Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
If we see the vaccination of people above 18 years, I'm happy to inform you that 95% of the people from Goa have received both the doses and have got good immunity. And in case of 15 to 18 years, we have started it from yesterday. Yesterday we had a figure around 8,000 in spite of the fact that 2 prior days were Saturday, Sunday, and suddenly it was announced. But all the staff in the health department along with the education department have successfully vaccinated about 8,000 and odd figure of students. And today, as of now, the figure that I have is around 7,500. But this figure will keep increasing because we have to upload more people. I'm sure that it will be somewhere more than 8,000 again. If you calculate them, it is around 15,000 people we have vaccinated in the age group of 15 to 18. And our targeted population as of today is 74,192. This is from the education department and our field survey, and that amounts to about 20% people we have successfully vaccinated in these 2 days.
Making the rounds about a vaccine that is expired and then some extended expiry, extended licensing for that period. In the Goa, what we have is a vaccine that is expiring in September 2022. So all the stocks that we have received, which is about 75,000 doses, are all of this September 2022 stock. So people, you don't have to worry about that.